Hello, everyone. I'm Akshay, and these are my group members, Hasib, Hussein, and Sukhpal. And we are the members of StdySpace. So a couple questions. Are you annoyed of searching up the groups on Facebook, like the study groups? Maybe I am. And also, you are worried about the personal information. So we have created a new thing, web application for that, which is called StdySpace. So what is it? It has various channels, as in courses, so we can talk, chat, and upload documents. And while doing this, you don't have to worry about your personal information or anything. And it just shares your username with the other users. So moving on, I'll hand it over to Hasib, which explains about how it works.
So first, we thought of the StdySpace. So we were looking at the name, so searching for it, and then after that, we bought the domain on Namecheap. Then we connected the domain to our DNS server. From there, we added A records to point to the domain, that is to Microsoft Azure server, as well as we did a bunch of other servers configurations to connect to it. And then we use Meteor.js as our development platform, because to make the web development tidy, and it's basically automatically compiles the code and everything, and we don't have to write a lot of code for that. Meteor.js is basically a JavaScript web framework using Node.js, and for database we use MongoDB for the database. The way Meteor works is its setup is that it allows the client to communicate with database seamlessly, so we don't need to have any kind of middleware. So here's a demo of the app.
Okay, so what we could do right now is we could create an account. Ideally, what we'd want to do is link this to YorkU's platform, but since we don't have that API, we can't connect to that. So let's just make an account. There's no validation right now, so anything will work. And yeah, so it automatically shows up over here, and it's completely seamless, and it talks to the database pretty fast. So yeah, and it's hosted on Azure. So yeah. That's
Any questions?
yeah.
Thank you. So are there any questions? Okay. Oh wait. Oh, we gotta. First question, first timer. So.
Does it do anything after that yet, or is that still to come?
Right now, what we want to do is we want to keep it just as a chat room, kind of like what Slack does, and then add like modules on top of it. But the reason why we're not using Slack is because we wanted to integrate it with York system, so that the courses show up automatically for what they're enrolled in.
So was there another quick question?
I was wondering about that basically. What am I going to do after I sign in?
Okay. So are there any other questions? No. Thank you very much.